Welcome again. We're continuing our last video where we added the weather error message. So we need to, since we added that function to our protocol, we need to add that to our view controller here. So what we're going to do is we're going to create the function here, and let's make a mark here. And this one's going to be called, let's put internet error message. Okay. So we create the function, and it should automatically show up for us, yeah. So we're going to start by, I'm going to comment, of course, display an error message from weather service. So let's create a print statement. Weather error message and now let's create an alert controller. Okay, so let alert equal to UI alert controller. And you should be getting the hang of this since we did this in the beginning of our course. Title is going to be error. The message is going to be the message string that we already have. In the preferred style, we're going to put alert. Now let's create a OK alert action. UI alert action. The title is going to be OK. The style is going to be, let's keep this at default. Okay, it's finally popping up. And we're going to have, it's not going to return anything, so let's put it nil. So now let's add the alert action. And let's present the view controller. Present view. And the view controller is the alert. Animate true. And it's not going to return anything. Okay. Alright, there's no errors now. So now let's build and run. Okay. So now let's return a city at first. Okay, we have no errors. And it's bringing us to 200. Okay, that means it's okay. So then it brings us the information, wind speed, all of that, ID message, sunset, all of that information. So now let's return nothing. City not found. So it brings us the 404 city not found message. So okay, our error is working perfectly. So now look at my application. I want to make some adjustments, and we're going to probably have a couple other videos adding some adjustments, probably putting a little color into here. But I know this is Fahrenheit, but you guys or somebody else viewing your app probably doesn't know it's Fahrenheit. So let's make that adjustment. So degrees, Fahrenheit, degrees, Fahrenheit, degrees, Fahrenheit, and also this is percent of what? Say percent clouds. So I don't think that'll fit in our view controller, so let's go to our main storyboard. First of all, let's move this up. Let's kind of squeeze them up a little bit. Let's move this up. I guess first, since we're moving things around, let's clear all the constraints. See, this is too small, so we're gonna have to spread this out. Let's spread it all the way to the end. It won't be that big, but I usually just make a practice of doing it this way. Let's undo that. So it's just easy to center the whole text when everything's aligned all the way to the end of your device. And so this looks good, this looks good. So now let's select the whole view controller again. And let's reset to suggested constraint. So we have that. Now we have that good. Okay. So now let's build and run again. Okay. Looking good. We're looking good. So here's your application. Of course, we can make some more decoration. We can add more weather features to it. Istanbul. I don't know if I'm spelling that right. Let's see if it pulls something. It pulled something else. I think that's a country. Lagos, Nigeria. 80 degrees, and it looks like it's broken clouds. So yeah, we're looking good. Added the Fahrenheit here. We added the clouds here. Looks pretty good. Thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned to extra features adding to this application.